Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ankit Tech Classes. I am Ankit. This is the part 6 of React for Beginner tutorial series. So in this session, you will learn about what is DOM and how DOM is work. So first, what is a DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. It is basically a standard which is developed by the or defined by the W3C World Wide Web Consortium. It defines the standard for accessing the documents. According to W3C, DOM is a platform and language neutral interface that allows programs and scripts to dynamically access and update the content, structure, and style of the document. Types of uh, W3C DOM standard is defined three types of DOMs. First one is Core DOM. Core DOM is a standard model for all type of documents. Next is XML document. It is basically used for the XML documents. HTML DOM. It is a standard model for using the HTML documents. HTML document. It is a standard object model and programming interface for HTML. It defines the HTML elements as objects, properties of all HTML elements, methods to access all the HTML elements, and also defines events for all HTML elements. Using HTML DOM, JavaScript can easily access and change all the elements of the HTML document. It means you can use the JavaScript to manipulate the HTML DOM using the different methods of a specific JavaScript. So this is the your HTML document in which you define your document with the help of HTML tag as well the head and body tags. So this document can be defined as HTML DOM as the root element is the document which represents your HTML documents, and the HTML DOM represents a root element as your HTML element. It contains the all other HTML element. Likewise, the head, body, and head contains title element, and title element contains a text Ankit tag classes, and under the element of the body it contains the h1 element. H1 element contains the welcome to our channel. So here you can see that whenever you write any HTML, so internally it represents like a tree of objects which represents by a document of HTML DOM. HTML DOM contains a root element defined as HTML, and the root elements can contain any number of nesting level of elements. How DOM works? Suppose you create a simple button in your web page in which you define it with the ID of btn click. If you want to change the particular title of the button, the default is submit with using the JavaScript code, that is document, which represents your document object model, by and use the method get element by ID. Define the btn click because we want to update this input type button which contains the ID of btn click. Dot contained text contained is the property to set the title of the button. You can also use the inner text as well, and we defined and change the name as my button. So whenever you run this code on the browser, the following things happen. The first thing, the browser parses the HTML to find the particular node of specific ID with using document.getElementId. You define it bt and click. So first browser parse this code, uh, parses the particular HTML to find a specific node which represents by a ID bt and click. So then it removes the child element of a specific element if it contains a particular, if it contains the particular child element, so it removes it. After that it updates the element, so after that it will change the title of your button, and then it recalculates the CSS for the parent as well as the child nodes and update the layout of your tree. At the end it traverses, it means at the end it traverses all your trees and paint the browser. After calculating the particular means you can say that it traverses of all the levels of your node under the tree and check the which node has been updated. After that, after calculating it, it uh, re-renders your page on the browser. So now a question is our mind that is modem is slow. So basically every time DOM changes, browser need to recalculate the CSS, do the different layout and repaint the web page. So so basically at the time of repainting the web page, it uses the different type of complex algorithms to calculate the differences in the DOM of the node in the different levels of the tree. So it takes more time, so it decreases your rendering performance of your page. So that is the disadvantage of your DOM. So if you want to more about the HTML DOM, you can refer these links. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will learn that what is a virtual DOM and how you can overcome the problem of the slowness of the DOM with the virtual DOM in the React, and we will see how the React DOM works. So if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.